Let's talk about 15 highly effective marketing phrases for engaging your actual prospects to lead to more leads and sales. What are those phrases that you can integrate into your marketing that just help you crush it? Number one, how about you integrate this into your marketing campaigns? Imagine life with, and then fill in the blank. Imagine life with. This phrase is great because it gets people thinking, right? A picture's worth 1,000 words. So, how about a vision in your mind? And this phrase is perfect because you can paint that perfect picture and they can visualize it in their mind. So, think about your product or service and what would you say after that phrase? Imagine life with. You would probably highlight the benefits and the value of what you do, and it would help the prospect really understand in a simple way the value that you provide and that they should go with you. Number two, we challenge you to find a fill in the blank. Think about your business. What would you say after that phrase? We challenge you to find a. You might say, find a competitor that does something as good as you. You might say to try to find a product equal to the quality of your product or service, or maybe the price of your product or service, or a brand with as many reviews as you. Think about where you really stand apart, and that's the perfect ending to that phrase. We challenge you to find a. Number three, try this phrase. All we're asking is, and then fill in the blank. Maybe it's to give us a try, to just do a free consultation and see what we can do for you, to buy some of our products and let us earn the rest of your business. What would you say to that phrase for your business? All we're asking you is to, and then what would you say? Just write that out and you'll start to get some great ideas for your marketing. Number four, it's time for. You're probably going to highlight your quality of service or the quality of your product or the benefits that you have or some of the pain points that your potential customers are wanting to overcome. So write that down and think about that. It's time for blank. What would you say to your prospects and your target customers after that phrase? And that would be great information to integrate into your marketing campaigns. Number five, there's no substitute for. What would you say there? There's no substitute for a quality roof, a family vacation you'll never forget. What is that for your brand? Fill in the blanks there and leverage that in your ads. Number six, experience a yard so green all of your neighbors rave about it, right? Would that not be good for a landscaper? Number seven, prepare yourself for a basketball that practically swishes itself. Would that not make sense for a basketball? So think about your business and what would you say following that phrase, prepare yourself for? Number eight, simply stated. Simply stated, you will not find a company with as much experience, as many reviews, and as high quality of a product as XYZ, right? Would that make sense? What would you say after the phrase simply stated? This is a great word exercise for you just to write that phrase out and finish the sentence. What comes to mind and integrate that into your advertising. Number nine, here are just a few of the. This is a great way to have a short list of features or benefits or solutions that you provide that are really going to help paint the picture to what you do and the value that you provide in a very short and brief and easy to understand way. Number 10, we've got the solution for your. This is a great one to lead into a pain point. Think about the pain points and the difficulties that maybe your customers are trying to solve for. And this marketing phrase helps address those very effectively. So here again, we've got the solution for your back pain, achy neck, restless nights. Those might be good ones for a chiropractor. So with this phrase, you're really hitting on those pain points, and pain often leads to sales. Number 11, just wait until you have the best Mexican food in Northern Colorado. Would that not make you want to try that out? That'd be great for a restaurant, right? So think about your business and what would you say after the phrase, just wait until you. Number 12, you'll be drowning in a sea of. This is a great way to hit on beautiful benefits that you provide, right? Or amazing features. If you offer a business software like we do with Marketing 360, you might say, you'll be drowning in a sea of unmatched sales driving business tools. I like it. Maybe we should use that. Number 13, get ready to enjoy fill in the blank. Highlight all the great benefits that you provide as a business or as a service or your customer service, your overall experience. What is the fruits of that that's going to be really enjoyable for your customers and your prospects and all of your accounts to enjoy? Number 14, you owe yourself a beautiful car that fits your kids but also fits your style. That would be pretty good for a car, right? Last one, number 15, say good riddance to. This is a great one to hit on pain points or problems that you want your leads and your customers to say goodbye to because your solution fixes it. So that's it. There's 15 marketing phrases to hopefully help you defeat writer's block and start putting together some beautiful marketing copy that's going to engage your leads and your prospects to turn into customers and sales for your business. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, like it, share it with friends. Leave some comments with some other phrases that you think would be really impactful for people to see and to leverage. Thanks for watching, and follow us for more content like this down the road. Happy marketing.